So a lot of my audience knows me and knows that I speak a little bit of Spanish, but I am far from fluent. But thanks to 11 Labs' new dubbing feature, I can certainly fake it. Check this out.
Mucha de mi audiencia me conoce y sabe que hablo un poco de español, pero estoy
So
lejos.
dubbing, which is the matching of lips to voice, has been doing the rounds with the HeyGen platform for the last several months, and it's a remarkable platform, but it requires a lot more training on a lot more material from a lot more angles, has a setup cost, takes a good deal of time, is a little bit tough to use. What's really cool about 11 Labs is I hope you could tell that it was doing a really good job of matching my vocal inflections and timing to Spanish in those little clips. It really does sound like me speaking another language. This could be used in a whole bunch of different contexts, from getting your content out there in an MVP sort of format to just trying to hit new markets to see if they work. In my case, I've been doing a lot of work down in Mexico, and there's a real a cause for me to have some Spanish language content. And with just a couple of clicks and a $22 a month subscription, this is really hard to beat. All you need to do is upload a video. Either you can upload the file, or you can just link to a YouTube URL. It's going to do the translation, it's going to do the dubbing, and you're simply going to download the file from there. Yeah, this one's exciting. Super fun to play with. I'd recommend trying a bunch of different languages. For instance, let's say something like the cat jumped over the lazy dog, but let's do it in German.
Etwas wie die Katze sprang über den faulen Hund, aber wir tun es auch.
Or how about Japanese?
例えば、猫が怠け者の金を飛び越えた。
Now, I apologize in advance to any actual speakers of German or Japanese. I have no ability to vet whether or not what it output was good or not. By all means, comment and let me know what you think about those little snippets. But it's a super fun toy to play with, and I encourage that everybody do so.